Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And more importantly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called MySimplePetLab, and it is a cat stool test kit. This is the box that's going to come in once you order it. And what this kit is basically designed to do is to test for worms and gradola. I may be pronouncing that correctly, I'm not sure. But basically it's going to test for roundworm, hookworm, tapeworm, whipworm, Corellia, and gradola. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing those last things correctly, but it's overall checking your cat out to see if they have any of those things. Once you open up this little box right here, you're going to get everything you need. So first off, you are going to get a little card here that's going to have your unique test activation code. So you'll activate it and put in your pet's information. You will get a sample here that you're going to put in your cat's waste. Then you are going to be putting this in a nice hard case bag here. And then finally, you're going to put it in this little purple bag here to ship off via just the standard post office mail. In addition to that, all this is tucked away in these little kits here. And as you can see, you get a pair of gloves. So you get everything you need nice and assembled to take that test. Basically, the process, how it works is you enter your code in, then you're going to collect the sample. You're going to mail the sample. Once they receive the samples, they say you get a 1-day turnaround before you get your results sent to you. Once you get your results, if there is anything of concern, you can instantly share it with your vet or use one of the online vets if you wish. So we got our results from MySimplePetLab. To give you an idea of the timing, I mailed it on July 1st. And by July 5th, they had received it, and within a couple hours, it was already the results posted, and that included a holiday in there. So it went through really, really fast, and I'm showing you right now kind of like the results. Everything came back negative, but it does all the little tests. It was really simple to grab those samples, very easy to read, and overall really fast. So I'm impressed with it. If you are in the market of a little device to test your pet at home, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.